Welcome back to my class. Class, all stand up, hands up, down, up, down. We have Igbo language. Our topic says suffix indicating past perfect. Class, repeat after me. Suffix indicating past perfect using the followings: la versus dialect. We are going to learn the difference between the suffixes on izugbe versus Olumba. We are going to learn the two suffixes now. Let's start. The first part is English. Let us read the sentence on English side. She has come. We have 3 columns. The first column is English side. Second one is Igbo izugbe, that's Central Igbo. Then the last side is Olumba, dialect. Now the first side, let us read what is on the board. She has come. Class, say it. She has come in English. Now let us translate it to Igbo izugbe, that is Central Igbo, and also translate it to dialect, that is Olumba. Using this la, we are going to use this la as our suffix to Igbo izugbe to see the various suffixes according to different dialects in Igbo. Let's start. She has come. Class, say it. She has come. In Igbo izugbe, it means Obiala. Class, say it. Obiala. Obiala. Obiala means she has come in Igbo language, Central Igbo. Now, look at our suffix here. Le ala. Obiala. Showing that this person has come. Obiala. Look at our suffix under Igbo izugbe. Now, in different dialects in Igbo language, let us compare their own suffixes to this Igbo izugbe to tell you that we have different dialects in Igbo. Let's see it. Under dialect, we have Obiana. We have Obiana. Ni ana, the first suffix on Olumba dialect. Na, ni ana. While here in Igbo, you have it as la. Obiala, Obiana. The second dialect, Obiago, Obiago. You have seen another suffixes here. Go, go. The third one, Obiago. Class, say it. Obiago. You have seen that here. Wo, wo. That Igbo izugbe says Obiala. This one say Obiago. Another one, Obiagwe. Obiagwe. This one is Obiago. Why this is Obiagwe? Have you seen the changes? This is our suffixes in Olumba dialect. Obiawo. Obiawo. Class, say it. Obiawo. You have seen another change. Another change from the dialect. You have seen it. This one is Obiala. This one says Obiago. This is Olumba. This is Olumba dialect, one of the Igbo communities. Another one is Obiagome. You have seen it. Wo and the me. Obiagome. While here you have it as Obiala. Le ala is the suffix on Igbo izugbe. While on Olumba, this community says Obiagome. The last but not the least, Obiagwele. Have you seen it? Obiagwele. Wele. This is the suffixes on this community. They fix it to this bia, the verb bia. This is the suffixes. Obiagwele. Why this one is Obiala? Have you seen the different dialects we have in Igbo land versus izugbe? On this, she has come. On this sentence, she has come. Oh, Biala. Our suffix here, our suffixes here is la, li, and la. Why this is na? Oh, Biala. Oh, Biala. Oh, Biala. Oh, Biala. Oh, Biago. Oh, Biala. Oh, Biago. Oh, Biala. Oh, Biagwe. Oh, Biala. Oh, Biawo. Oh, Biala. Oh, Biagwome. Oh, Biala. Oh, Biagwele. Have you seen it? Now use your hand and fix your own dialect here. Use your hand at the comment section. Write your own dialect at the comment section. There are many other dialects. So we just point out these ones as an examples. So use your hand and write your own dialect. Select it from here. If your own is not mentioned here, you have to write it at the comment section because there are many others. So like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Bye.